Hi everyone, how are you? I hope everything is absolutely perfect from your side, and I wish for your well-being, physical, mental and emotional. So today I'm going to talk about the gut nature, and which gut nature, especially Vata people, and the Krur kind of bowel nature. So I'm going to explain in correlation with the modern science also. So Vata people are the people who are having gut which is dry, rough and less lubricated. They have less peristaltic movement in the intestine area as compared to others. So Vata kind of people are, they are very dry, rough and less lubricated gut. That's why they are mostly prone to suffer from the constipation. That's why this is the main reason they suffer from the constipation. So we will treat the patient as an antidote of these properties. The antidote of dry, rough and less lubrication is the lubrication. And moreover, the Vata people have cold gut. They have very cold gut. We need to give them something which is lukewarm, like lukewarm food, lukewarm water, cooked food, the food which is supported by the Agni from the outside, right? So I'm going to speak about one recipe, explain about one recipe which is very good for gut cleaning or gut detoxification in case of Vata people. And this recipe is also very good for those who want gut detox, as well as they want the cure in the joint pains also, and those people who want weight loss also, because gut cleaning is very beneficial for weight loss also. So liver detox, gut detox, kidney detox. According to Ayurveda, these detox are very must. And once you get these detox, you can go and implement the skin detox, blood detox and liver detox also. So each and organ needs to be detoxified by us. So the recipe is, this is a harad churn. This is called sorry, I just got the call in between. So this is a harad churn, and it's a scientific and Latin name is Terminalia chabula. And harad is a extremely good antidote for Vata patient who are suffering from joint pains, who are suffering by joint pain, because the dryness, roughness is a property of Vata. So it creates dryness, roughness in this area. That's why mostly Vata people also suffer from constipation along with joints pain. So cool is another property. Coolness also, the cooling herbs also brings the joint pains. The extreme cooling herbs, the intake of extreme cooling herbs may lead to the joint pains also. So this is a harad churn. How I am going to consume it? So because it has little different taste, it's not that much palatable. So I'm going to take this half spoon, right, and I'm going to add little bit pink Himalayan salt. I have added. So I'm mixing. I'm going to mix these. Now I'm going to consume it, and after that I will drink the lukewarm water. This is a lukewarm water, harad churn mixed with senda salt. According to the different seasons, we can change the anupana also. We can change the senda salt with honey or other things. But right now I am prescribing this senda salt and harad, right? So I am going to consume. So I have consumed harad. Harad is also called haritki. It is a body. It's a bigger haritki. There are two types of harad, small and bigger one. You can consume this bigger one, right? And its Latin name is Terminalia chabula. So next one is triphala juice, sorry. So I'm going to take 4 spoons of triphala juice. 1, because right now I'm going to take the gut detox, so 4 spoon is enough. So 4 spoon in lukewarm water. If you have very mridu coast means you have you pass stool twice a day or thrice a day, then 1 spoon of triphala juice is enough. If you have crude coast means the coast which is prone to constipation, you get 1 time stool in a day or in a very difficult way, and second, if you pass 1 time stool in 2 days, after 2 days. Okay, so this is my triphala juice. So I have consumed triphala juice. So this thing after you work out you can do, and for bedtime but you can do, because Vata people, they have very, you know, mind, like the psychosomatic nature, means the mind nature along with their body cells nature. I'm going to explain. The Vata people are more prone to get aggravation in cortisol levels in their blood. They have more cortisol receptors on their cells. They have more adrenaline, noradrenaline receptor on their cells. That's why when they face some unfavorable condition, they get easily anxiety, nervousness, and overthinking. For those, chamomile tea is one of the best option. So if you are Vata person and you have problem with insomnia, lack of sleeps, less sleep, or fluctuating mind, you can go for chamomile tea. If you are Vata person and you are feeling like you are also having problem with accumulation of water in this area, you want to reduce, so jasmine tea is one of the best source you can consume. So next one is what you can do before bedtime. Before bedtime you can melt desi ghee or coconut oil. Desi ghee should be A2 cow ghee, right? It should be pure ghee, organically produced ghee. Take half spoon of desi ghee, melt it. You can also put 2 kishmish in that spoon and just consume it. And this before bedtime, 2 hours before bedtime, it is good, because it will lubricate your gut, and because you also consume 2 to 3 kishmish, it is also good for your joint pains and gut peristaltic movement. So second option is extra virgin coconut oil. You can melt coconut oil. Right now I have desi ghee, and because this recipe is for before bedtime, so you can do it. I'm doing this just because I don't have another time for this video. So this recipe is basically before bedtime. So I'm going to show you how you can melt and use a kishmish, right? So you can see I have put half to 1 spoon of little spoon, this teaspoon, and I'm going to put these 3 kishmish or raisins in this. Now I'm going to melt it on the boiling water, because direct heat is not good for melting the ghee or anything. If you want to use it as a, if you want to take the medicated benefits of this ghee, so I'm going to melt it. And it is really a very good recipe for those who are suffering from a dry cough, the whooping cough, the cough with the sound, heavy sound in kids. So it is also very good. Immediately once you give this desi ghee, immediately it gets relief, the whooping, dry cough, the sound cough. And it is also very good for inflammatory bowel syndromes, the people who are having IBS issue and they do not feel satisfied after passing the fecal or stool, when they do not feel satisfied after passing the fecal matter. So I have melted this. This is totally melted, and I'm putting it, I'm shifting it into the spoon. Just wait. So better to put in this spoon. And these are the raisins. It looks like this. And this is, you can also use extra virgin coconut oil, or you can also use this A2 cow desi ghee. And desi ghee looks like, you know, it's a yellow in color. It means it is a pure ghee. So let it get lukewarm. So this is the wonderful recipe for those who are having whooping cough, dry cough, the cough with the sound. It immediately get relief. There is no any need of consuming synthetic medicines. There is no any use. The people who doesn't feel satisfied after passing the stool, it is also very good recipe for this. After triphala, it is a very good anupana also. So consume it, feel it, and also pray for your life, healthy life, before you consume it, because praying is also mentioned in Ayurveda scriptures. I'm going to consume it. So I have consumed this desi ghee along with raisin. So this remedy is before bedtime, 3 hours, right? You can consume boiled skimmed milk after this. So this is a very good you know, techniques to cure the Vata patient. Through my courses, I'm running my courses through Universal Diet Academy and Ayurveda Avtaran. I'm running, we are running, I'm not only running, my team actually running this academy. And through this academy, we are providing diploma in dietetics and nutrition. And very soon we will be running the postgraduate diploma in dietetics also. So after this, through this course, we are teaching Ayurvedic diets, clinical nutrition, maternal and child nutrition, some Vedic therapies through the Garbh Samvad, and some workshops also, intermittent fasting, way of correct fasting, and many Ayurvedic topics like joint nutrition, weight management, and many more. So student, these are very, very unique combinations of subjects, and you will never find such combination in other academies. I have my own research and practical oriented theory in my courses. So you're gonna get the practical knowledge through my courses also. So the name of this course is Diploma in Dietetics and Nutrition. Or either you can do independent nutrition certification course like Ayurvedic nutrition course or clinical nutrition course. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you find this video is very beneficial for those who are suffering from constipation, IBS constipation, whooping cough, so please share this video.